Hi, my name is Allison Muller, and I am the Global Head of Marketing for Oracle Health Sciences. I'm very pleased today to be able to speak with Cheryl Chen from BeiGene, who is the Associate Director of Clinical Operations for the China team. Cheryl, thank you for joining me.
Thank you so much for the invitation, and it's my pleasure to talk with you about BeiGene and also our implementation stories.
When you were thinking about this move to this Oracle platform, what were some of the most important benefits you're hoping to get from this migration?
First of all, is that after the new system put into use and when all the studies have been moved to the new system, we can run all the trials in a global consistency in the platform. Because previously, as I mentioned, that we have quite a lot of regions running the clinical trials, and sometimes there might be some special process in some different countries. But from the company level, we still need global consistency when handling the clinical trials. So that with the unified platform, we can handle the clinical trials in a global consistency. That's quite important for us.
Hopefully that will, the consistency will also make it repeatable, right? Maybe make it easier as you grow.
Yeah, and also during the implementation, we found that, it's also a surprise. We found that in Oracle CTMS, there are quite a lot of embedded templates that we can directly use. And the templates from the industry best practice and quite helpful for us.
What other surprises were there? Are there any other pleasant surprises, since you've been able to kind of work with the Oracle system?
Another surprise is people. We have very good project manager from Oracle side. And we have a project manager located in China who is working together with us in the same time zone. And he is very responsible and always follow up in a timely manner. We have worked together with a lot of service providers, but the PM we've met in Oracle is the best.
Oh, that's wonderful to hear. That's so good to hear. Yeah, it's definitely a partnership for the long term when it comes to clinical trials.
Yeah, it's very important for us because the experts are in Oracle side, and we only know the business process from our BeiGene side. When we need to make the system more suitable to our business process, the project manager and the technical team is quite important.
Have you had any other positive feedback from your team regarding this platform or this, move to a more advanced environment for doing your clinical trial management?
Yeah, when we test the system, the network performance in all the global regions are quite important for us. You may heard of that quite a lot of systems may not perform as well, especially in China, because of the network issue. But it's good that for Oracle CTMS, we have tested for all the countries we have clinical trial members. They told us the performance is good enough. Yeah, especially when communicating with external partners, the most important thing is to communicate the accurate information as simple as possible. That would be much appreciated. Frankly speaking, this kind of information are quite helpful and can be regarded as a company's asset. And it's also a way to improve the efficiency and also help us to be much easier in our work. We are very looking forward to grow together with you. Yeah.